I'm going to show you how to do a screenshots. So just in case you're having some issues and you would like to email me and share what you are seeing on the screen, I'll show you how you can send me screenshots so I can get a better understanding of what's happening. So let's say you're in your MindTap lab and let's say it freezes on you or it pops up some kind of error message and you want to be able to screenshot what it's saying. What you would do is open up a new document in Word, go up to the Insert tab, and here in Illustrations group, go to Screenshot, click on the arrow, and go down to Screen Clipping. What will happen is the screen clipping will go to the last place you were before being in Word. So in this case, it would bring us back to the internet for the browser where we had the MindTap open, and as it becomes grayed out, this black cross appears, and that's basically the camera tool. So I would click and drag to select what I'm trying to get a screenshot of. So I will click and drag, and then you'll see it drops it into that Word document. And then what I do is with it selected, I right click and say Save Picture As, and I'll save it as a JPEG. And then when you email me, you can attach the JPEG to your email. I'm going to show you how to attach an email properly when using your Office 365 email account. And so when you log into your MyMCC, you're going to go to MyMCC email. And as soon as it loads, you will go to a new email. And when you go to attach, you want to be sure to not use the OneDrive attachments, because the person receiving the email also has to have OneDrive, and not everyone will. So you want to make sure you go down to the computer, and then it will pull up the file that you can navigate to, or I'm sorry, it'll pull up a dialog box that you can then navigate to wherever it is that you've stored your file. And then you say open, and then will attach it. What will happen if you use the other option, if you use a OneDrive file, it then will say attach as a OneDrive file or attach as a copy. If you were to do attach as a OneDrive file, then it's only available in the cloud, and you don't want that when you're sending. The other option is if I instead chose attach as a copy, that would also work the same way as browsing on the dialog box on the computer. But just make sure you do not send the OneDrive.